Good morning! Thank you that you can join me as I take my weather observation here in our neighborhood, Lorne Park, Lakeshore, Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. It's Monday, May 6th, 2024, 8:30 in the morning. Mix of sun and clouds at 4 octa. Temperature, it's 12.4 degrees Celsius. And the pressure is steady at 1018.4 millibars, and the air quality reading is very low at 1.5 microgram per cubic meter for fine particulate matter at 2.5 microns. Precipitation wise, let's check the rain gauge. We got 1.0 millimeters of rain in the past 24 hours, and this will be entered in the CoCoRaHS.org website under station ID CANWARN 646. Well, I'm gonna return this to the rain gauge behind me. Well, it's May, and most of us are gardeners, and one of our spring ritual is to go to the garden center and pick up new plants that we will plant in our garden. And you might notice this plastic pot, which is a typical container for new plants in this nurseries or garden center. And that reminds me of the 3 R's, and that is reduce, reuse, and recycle. So something to keep in mind when you go to the garden center or nursery and pick up your new plant for your garden. One is reduce. That means is if you can and if it's available in the garden center or nursery, try to pick up plants that are potted in organic materials. Sometimes instead of plastic pots, the plants will be covered in coconut husk or other organic fiber, so that will reduce the use of plastic. So if you can, try to get those plants that are potted in organic materials. Second thing is reuse. And so once you're finished, transplanting your new plant into your garden, keep the container, plastic container, and you can actually use it to plant seeds that you can then grow for the next season. Or even now, I think still early in some parts of Canada where you can actually reuse your old plastic pots from previous pots and just use that to grow your seeds. And finally, recycle. Depending on your local municipality's protocols, you can either recycle the plastic, and if not, just bring it to your garden center or nursery and they'll be happy to accept your used plastic pots. So there you go. The 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle your plastic pots. Well, friends, have a great spring day. Just remember, the sun is always there and the clouds shall eventually pass. Have an awesome day. See you again tomorrow. Take care.